guys, it's Dipesh and today we're going to be discussing BHAs. So if you're like me, you have oily skin, acne prone skin, you break out very easily and you don't know what to do about it, I think you should try a little bit of BHA in your skincare routine. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now basically you would ask me, what is a BHA and why do I really need it in my skincare routine? My answer to you is, if you have oily skin, what usually happens with oily skin or acne prone skin is that the oil on your skin gets into your pores and it attracts a lot of bacteria and dust which sits into your skin, and you need something that is oil soluble like salicylic acid, which is oil soluble. So it goes into your pores and it dissolves all of this gunk and it gets cleared, and that's why you don't have any inflammation, you don't have any irritation, which precedes to you not having that much of acne, if you know what I mean. Now I already have a video on what AHAs and BHAs are and what is the difference between them, so if you're interested I will leave a card right here or down in the description box below and you can have a check on that. So when you want to include salicylic acid in your routine, it is important to know what kind of salicylic acid it is. Every medium is different and the use of each medium is also different, which is where a lot of people get confused. Now I have divided the mediums in 3 categories so that it is easier to understand. 1 is face wash, 2 is overnight products or peels and masks, and the 3rd is spot treatments. There are only a few salicylic acid products that I absolutely love and like to stick to them, so hold on till the end of this video where I will show you some product recommendations that I absolutely love and that have worked for me. Now let's start with face wash. Salicylic acid in a face wash is quite gentle, so it can be used daily. However, it will only properly work if you have massaged it properly on your skin. So generally a rule of thumb that I follow with all my face washes is using it for 20 seconds on my face before I rinse it off. This will give the product time to get into your pores and dissolve all the oil congestion. Now with this you can definitely use retinols and other active ingredients because it is a wash off product and there is no interaction with any other ingredient in that. Now I generally would recommend this to anybody who has acne prone oily skin, generally has a little bit of congestion here and there, or wears makeup and has a little bit of congestion because of it. Salicylic acid will really help in the face wash to get rid of that gunk from your pores on a daily basis. So it's a very powerful ingredient, but in the face washes it's quite gentle, so you can daily use it. Now I always use salicylic acid in the night time unless it's in a face wash, which I use in any of the morning or the night time, and it's completely fine. Now let's talk about the second category, that are peels or masks or products that are left overnight on your skin. Now these products would be toners, serum, oils, gels, any kind of creams or masks and peels. So let's talk about all of these products. Now these products are highly concentrated or products that are left for a very long time on your skin. So I do not recommend this to be used more than 2 to 3 times a week. During these days, try to keep your skincare as simple as possible. Use only a face wash or a moisturizer. If you want to use a serum, use something that is hydrating to your skin. If you want to use a toner, make sure that it is hydrating to your skin and it's not something that again has an astringent property to it. Use something like a hyaluronic acid serum or like glycerin based moisturizer, which is amazing for the skin and the hydration of the skin. Chamomile extracts and a lot of other products that are all like nourishing and moisturizing. Use those kind of products that they really go with something like BHAs or AHAs or retinols. The day you use all of these products, you can always use hydrating ingredients with them. Now products in this category is great for anybody and everybody out there who suffers from extremely oily skin, congestion, blackheads, whitehead issues. This helps with clearing out pores, so it's going to be great for anybody who has oily skin. Now I have a whole video where I discuss how to build your own weekly skincare routine. I will link it down in the description below and you guys can have a look after this one. Lastly, the spot treatments. Now here's the difference between products that you keep on your skin and spot treatments that are also left on your skin, but because they are concentrated on 1 or 2 spots on your entire face, it is okay to use them daily till a certain spot is treated. I personally like to use spot treatments right after I've washed my face on clean and dry skin, after which you could use whatever products you want, avoiding the areas where you've put the spot treatment or allowing ample of time, around about 20 to 30 minutes for the product to actually work on the skin, and then apply whatever products you want to apply on top of it. Now these spot treatments are great if you have a few pimples, 1 or 2 here and there. They are great for that. It helps reducing that pimple size and also it helps soothing that angry pimple and easily temporarily relieves the skin of that angry zit. Now another ingredient that really helps with oil control is niacinamide. So if you want me to have a look at that and do a video on niacinamide for you guys, I would love to do that. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, before we move to product recommendation, I would highly recommend you guys to use a sunscreen when you're using a chemical exfoliant, which you anyway need to use daily. But when you're using a chemical exfoliant or retinoid, it is highly important to use a sunscreen to protect your skin from any sun damage, which would reverse the actual good effects of the products that you're using. So I would highly recommend you to use a sunscreen. Now let's talk about product recommendations. My first product recommendations from the face wash category would be the Innisfree Bija Cica facial foam, which is a beautiful face wash. It has a lot of salicylic acid in it. It helps with congestion and oily skin. It really works with my skin a lot, so I really recommend that one. Next is a toner slash serum form of BHA, which is the Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. This one is talked about a lot and it's a great product. If you regularly have blackheads, if you regularly have congestion in your skin, I feel like this product would do wonders for you. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and you will be set. I love this product. It's moisturizing and it does not dry my skin out, which is something that I really like. Next, I have this Hydro Peel Glow Potion from Dot & Key, which is a great product. It's a gentle peel which gives a gentle exfoliation. It's great to use on a regular basis. 2 to 3 times a week is fine. It will help with any kind of congestion in your skin, and it will also help with texture and other issues that can be tackled with chemical exfoliation because it has 10% of alpha hydroxy acid also in it. This is a great product if you're looking for a slightly more advanced product than a serum or a face wash. This would be the next step for you because it's slightly more concentrated, but it is still quite gentle on the skin. Next, I have the Dr. Sheth's Neem and BHA Spot Clarifying Treatment. It is a spot treatment, but it can also be used all over your face and you can rinse it off after 10 minutes and it will give you a nice skin exfoliation. Now, because this has only BHA, it's great also to use it in areas where you get acne and just leave it on over there for like 10 minutes, or you can leave it on overnight as well. It's a very versatile product. You can use it in many different ways, which is why I really like this one. Next, I have the Plum Green Tea Clear Spotlight Gel. This is great for reducing 1 or 2 pimples. If you're getting here and there, it's not a hormonal or it's just like, on your periods or something, you just get 1 or 2 periods here and there. It's a great treatment. You just pop it on wherever you get your acne and it reduces the size of it and it also calms the bump down. So it's great for that and I really like this and really recommend this one. Also, there are 2 other BHA products that are highly talked about. One is from Paula's Choice and the second one is from The Ordinary. So if you guys have a hold of that, then you can definitely try those out as well. Alright, so that comes down to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what other topics you want me to cover and I would do that for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, just subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon right next to it and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.